Hello friends, today I would like to discuss identification test of amino acid. Now, what is amino acid? If you see this structure, it is a structure of an amino acid. Why it is called amino acid? If you see the structure, it contains both the functional group, namely amine group and COOH group. So COOH, it is basically organic acid. So that's why acid, and it contains NH2, that's why amino acid. Now, if you see the structure of ninhydrin, okay. Now, structure of ninhydrin is benzene ring, which is fused with another 5-member cyclopentane ring. So it is called indene ring. It is called indene ring. Now, if you want to name ninhydrin, what will be the name? So name accordingly. This is position 1, this is 2, this is 3, like this 5, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you see 2 position contain 2 OH group, and 1 and 3 position contain 2 double bond O group. So what will be the name? You write 2 dihydroxy indene 1,3 dione. So this is chemical name of ninhydrin. Now, when the reaction occurs, this amine group, free amine group, this H2 and one O from this one will go out as water, and this H and this OH will go out as another OH, another water. That means 2 molecules of water will be eliminated out. So what will be the product? So this is so here in this carbon, here this nitrogen will be attached, and other will remain as such. C with COOH, other H and R remain same. Now this will be double bond. Okay. Now the second step, what will happen? This CO2 molecule will be eliminated from here. Okay, so it happens uh, by just heating at 50 degrees Celsius. So what will be the product? All remains same, only COH will go out, and here only H remains. Okay, other same. Got it? Now you see, next step, just hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, what will happen? This ring will break from here, and this double bond will be converted to the single bond. That means it will form like this one. Okay, double bond O, then here it becomes NH2. Okay, NH2. Now second molecule of ninhydrin come here to react as like previous step, as like first step. Okay, so this is second molecule, this is second molecule of ninhydrin. What will happen? Same reaction. So H2 here or O from here, one water, and OH from here and H from here. So again 2 molecules of water will be eliminated, and it will form the adduct. That is, this is This is now here N, then double bond, okay. So this is called Ruhemann's purple, and it is deep blue color or purple color. Okay, it is Ruhmann's purple. So by this way amino acid can be detected. Now what is the condition? At what condition this reaction takes place? Condition 1, pH of this reaction should be maintained or optimum as pH 5.51. Second one, temperature I have mentioned in the second step, it is 50 degrees Celsius required to eliminate CO2. And third one is ninhydrin solution. The concentration of ninhydrin solution should be maintained 8% W/V. Keep in mind, ninhydrin is not soluble in water, so you have to take acetone or alcohol as a solvent. Okay, and fourth one, the amine should be primary or secondary in nature. Tertiary amine is not detectable by this test. Okay, that means that N must have NH2 kind of group or NH kind of group, otherwise it is not possible to detect by using ninhydrin solution. Now what is the importance of this reaction? First one is it is used for the identification of amino acid, number one. Second one is to detect fingerprint. This test is also used. Okay, thank you very much for your patience hearing. If you are having any question, feel free to ask. Thank you very much.